Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark, and I'm back to do an unboxing of an item. Now, what did I get in this item anyway? Well, we'll open it anyway. Let's see. Majesty, can this be? Whoa. Enough that, let me unwrap it and show it in the man cave. Like, right now. Let's go! Alrighty, folks. So, what was in that box? You see the color and the details? I'm pretty sure you're familiar with. And it's right here. Oh, it's the Jaws collection box set, custom, from the folks over at BlockBuster Studios. But I missed out on getting it since those were like selling out like pancakes. Like, really, pancakes. Can you believe that, folks? So yeah, I found one on eBay. A seller was selling it and it looked good. No damages whatsoever. And look at the details on here. Okay, you see the front. Up on the side, that's definitely the DVD cover for Jaws 2. I remember that. I still have the DVD. Here's the famous line from the movie by Chief Brody, played by the great Roy Scheider, would say, "Smile, you son of a bitch." Boom. And here is the case for your either Steelbook or your Blu-ray 4Ks of Jaws. And let's take it out, and we're going to put them with these. I had the lenticular. Decided to buy this one since the lenticular one wouldn't fit in this box set. So, anyways, gave that to a buddy anyway. The lenticular one. Okay, first off, we're going to start with the OG Jaws 1. Okay. And look at the back. You have our heroes and the Orca ship. Amazing, amazing. Just look at it. Okay. Let's see them side by side. Jaws. Jaws. And we're coming up 50 years since the release of this OG. And look at that. Fits like a glove. Next up, Jaws 2. This is a cool cover. And of course, the skier's gonna be eaten. So yeah. Let's see. Then Jaws 3. One of my childhood movies I remember renting as a kid. I have the VHS of the first one. I rented it 2 and 3 on VHS back when I was attending school days, elementary school times until middle school times. I mainly rented 3. Let me see a comparison with each other, the cover arts. Third dimension is terror. Pretty rad, don't you think? Did I show this off? Next up, Jaws: The Revenge. This time, it's personal. Yeah, I bought the Blu-ray, the 4K on eBay. I bought the slipcover by itself overseas from the UK because apparently mine didn't come with a slippy. The slipcover is, the 4K is American only. But this cover art, thank God they kept it. They did a good job. Too bad we didn't see that in the movie, though. And of course, if anybody saw the interview with Michael Caine, says the worst movie he did was Jaws 4: The Revenge. And he got paid $1 million for 2 weeks' work. And he got along with everyone great, and he played the love interest, Hoagie, to Ellen Brody, who was a widow, who of course sadly lost her younger son. And now her older son is a marine biologist. And it's like the stepdad, would-be stepfather era, you know, but at least his mom is happy, and it's a shame Martin Brody's no longer with the character around. So yeah. So yeah, it is 4K Blu-ray. I just bought the slipcover. Whoa. Rad, isn't it? And of course, you heard about the 4K controversy. I'm pretty sure the Blu-ray is the same as the previous one, whatever. And look at that, folks. This is exactly like the DVD edition. This cover. And this is the poster / 4K. Like, wow, they kept the best of both worlds. So to BlockBuster Studios, shout outs to you, my man. You the man. Jaws: The Revenge. But unfortunately, there's no tagline here. I don't know, there is in here. No, sadly there isn't, but we know the tagline for the film. This time is personal. So yeah, this time is personal. And it has the other ending where the shark gets stabbed with the ship's pole, which is right here, and the shark sinks to the bottom with half of the spear, not this spear, but this one, to the bottom of the ocean, and that's it. It didn't test well. But but I haven't rented Jaws: The Revenge. I didn't know about this movie, and nobody that I know never mentioned this movie to me. Yeah. Nobody mentioned this movie to me at all until I saw it on AMC Channel with the alternate ending, and then we have the new ending. The other ending is beautifully on 4K, as my pal CHH would say. So I'll leave you the link in the description box for that as well when he talks about it. And I thought it was decent, really, for what it was. Too bad we didn't get an extended version with more scenes, with the theatrical cut ending, and then maybe have another version with the original ending. I'm pretty sure it could have been pleasing the audiences. And of course, if anybody remember the video game that came out from for the Nintendo, for Jaws, the NES video game version for, I forgot what the company name was. GIF maybe? Or is it INJ? So yeah, for the video game that did Jaws the video game, which took the poster from this movie, but take away Mrs. Brody with the boat and the harpoon, that was distributed by LJN, who were well known for licensing movies to turn into video games and make people enjoy them, have fun. You like the movie, play the video game as well. It's pretty cool. It's got love and hate. And I don't know, I played it once. And I gotta say, it was decent, but it was difficult. You have to avoid the shark always. So yeah, this was definitely taken from Jaws: The Revenge. but just simply call it Jaws the video game. But the gameplay has all the marks of Jaws for the Revenge. So yeah, it shouldn't be just called Jaws the Revenge NES. We'll call it Jaws, maybe people will buy it. Either you love it or you hate it, it's your choice. And since then, I like Jaws the Revenge. I like the second one. I like the third one. I gave the third one a chance nearly about 15 years ago. I didn't quite, I don't know why, but it was looked as a gimmick, and Joe Alves, the production designer of the first two movies, directed this movie. And he did an amazing job, heck. And it was shot in SeaWorld, Miami, Florida in the 80s. It was great, starring the great Louis Gossett Jr., Dennis Quaid is in this. All to all, wall to wall fun. All in all, wall to wall fun. It's a fun installment. And they did the fourth one to make sure they were profiting off a bankable asset. And yes, it made some profits in return. Some alright profits. Didn't make a whole lot of money like the other ones did, or like the last two did, or the original release of the first movie. But all in all, it was wall-to-wall AL rad and fun. So yeah. And plus, let me know what you guys think. What was your very first Jaws movie? Anybody in your family introduced you to Jaws, to either one of these four, or did you find out about it yourself? And did anybody in your family or friends, or finding it by yourself, did you find out about the video game through either friends, family members, relatives, or snooping around the internet when you were a kid growing up? Let me know that in the comments. So yeah. Before signing off, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the early afternoon hours or the early evening hours. Depends on what time, when I leave it at the PM. Either be from maybe 3, maybe 5 or 6, or maybe 7, but I wouldn't do it late. And also, what else, folks? What else? So yeah, and let's give a shout out to the collectors out there, to the visual media collectors, the toy collectors, the watch collectors, the autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shouts to you guys, to you dudes and dudettes. And also, let's give a shout out to BlockBuster Studios. Besides, this design is cool, by the way, and unique. And we, the fans of Jaws, should be thanking this guy for designing this box set. Shouts to you, sir. And especially, let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. And if you like content like this or other content, please click the button on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Having an opinion related to the content, comments down below. So yeah, folks. Anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all. And later. And happy holidays.